I'll be showing. Back to the bathroom. Following. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me.
All right, love y'all. See y'all.
Whoa! Take that, Jen.
It's late.
Whoa, wow. The house is kind of... You're so good. Yes, I did talk to Cole.
What?
I was wondering. Who's gonna do the fair this week?
It's not gonna hit big. Oh, dang it! Ooh, excuse me, sorry. That's about as good. Excuse me. That was intense.
Cause she's just J.O.
We're not. It's not even here. Excuse me. So. Also, I'm drinking a Sprite, so I'm gonna be burnt. Excuse me. That was...
Yeah, it's when those memories
Whoa, excuse me. I'm sorry. Massage. Oh, excuse me. Where's my girlfriend?
Did I do C-section first?
Excuse me.
Working too.
Oh my god. Sorry. Excuse me. Excuse me. Hannah.
Well.
That was a 2. Excuse me. Now I got indigestion. Whoa! Excuse me. Whoa, gosh. Excuse me. Sorry. Your phone. You can block it from right here.
5K.
Cool now. Whoa. Excuse me. Whoa. And there's nothing in here anybody can steal. His. Excuse me. I just don't know. Excuse me, I don't know where. Whoa. Like, what? I really don't. Excuse me. sorry.
Hey Taylor, if you're here, send me in a.
Bye.
Bye.
Excuse me. Yep, I do. Excuse me. You are. Whoa. Jeez.
Kidding me. Thank you for that.
Excuse me. Excuse me. I have no idea. Whoa. Whoa, shoot. Sorry. Silly. My roommate. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me.
That is so mean.
Excuse me.
How many people are waiting in the queue?
Excuse me. Excuse me. And go. And that's perfect. Whoa, that was a big one. Riley, Taylor, Kelly, Amanda, Kate. Excuse me. Excuse me. Before. Whoa. I can't do that. Oh my god, I gotta get that out before I forget.
Why can no kids?
I run one.
Yeah, sure.
Being sick. I've never heard any of these songs.
Excuse me. If I could turn. I am going home today. Excuse me.
It starts.
Excuse me. Ouch. Excuse me. I tried coastal. All right. Whoa, excuse me. Sorry. Excuse me. Excuse me. Can we take this off? Excuse me. Excuse me. I wonder if they'll be back tomorrow. Inmate, and he goes. Excuse me. I take a. Whoa, excuse me. Good. Did you? Thank you guys. Excuse me. Honey! My Canadian. Whoa, excuse me, sorry. Whoa, excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Okay. I don't remember. Whoa. Yes, excuse me. Excuse me. I can't take it. I have to burp. And I burp a lot like a man. I'm so sorry.
I hate this game.
That was good. Well, then I can't tell you. Excuse me. So. Sorry, excuse me. I really. There you go, Sully. Whoa. Makeup for the bride.
So is the other person?
Oh. Hey, stop. For the wedding.
It could work.
I mean. Whoa. Excuse me. No, like when. Sorry, excuse me. If you're new here, a lot of excuse me, content. Excuse me, sorry.
Wonder when you were 17, or maybe you didn't keep your own connections with God.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me.
'Cause I can see how